Welcome to another Granthams GT project. This time we're diving into the 3-layer day and night printing feature on the HP Latex 730W printer. I start by loading the roll into the printer and ensuring the media profile is correctly selected. For this demo we're printing onto Metamark Backlit Film, designed specifically for light boxes and illuminated displays. Next I swap over the white printheads. One of the unique features on the HP Latex is that these printheads can be parked when they're not in use. This isolates them from the ink system, helping to minimise white ink waste that would otherwise happen from regular purging and circulation during cleaning cycles. Moving on to Adobe Illustrator, I set up the file as a 3-page PDF. Page 1 is the night layer, the backlit version that shows through when illuminated. Page 3 is the day layer, the more subtle, balanced version that's visible when the lightbox isn't illuminated. Page 2 is a spot colour named SPOT1. Naming the layer SPOT1 allows ONYX to recognise it as the white ink channel and process it correctly during printing. In ONYX I import the multi-page PDF and select the 3-layer profile, acknowledging that this is made up of multiple layers. This tells the printer to output CMYK, then white, then CMYK in one pass. I then confirm there will be 2 separate images on either side in order to build that layered day and night effect. Once the file is ready, it's time to print. You'll notice the machine first lays down our dark image, then the white layer, and finally the front lighter image, all perfectly aligned. This technique lets you create 2 contrasting versions of the same image on a single piece of media. One that's vibrant and dense when backlit and another subtle, balanced version visible without illumination. Day and night prints do take a little longer than standard jobs as you're essentially printing 3 layers at once, but if you want that impact it's worth it. Specialist techniques like this add real value, so it should always be factored into the price you quote. After printing, I cut the film to size using a Keencut Trimmer before mounting it into an A0 Lightbox. And here's the result, the same image transforming between day and night depending on whether it's lit from behind.